to make this Mr. Maker mini bug set. Well, you can't see the writing here, but we're going to make it all with all these pieces. And yeah, so let's go and take a look at the instructions here. We're starting with the ladybug. Yes, that's the word. Take the red pom-pom and the black and white pipe cleaner here. Right, we got them both here. Wrap the black and white pipe cleaner around the pom-pom and wind its ends together to secure. Okay. Make sure it's in the middle. Oh, it's off center. Right, done it here. Add the black pom-pom. So number 2, take the black threadable pom and thread this onto the chinel stem. Oh, to make the ladybird's head. You thread this inside here through. This goes into the plastic tube, then you thread it along so it's like attached. You did it, hooray! Stick 2 of the peel and stick googly eyes. Oh, stick googly eyes on the ladybird's head. Then take the 2 foam dots, peel off the backing and stick them on. See if you get to help with this. Okay. Just stick them. Oh no, this side needs fixing. The plastic keeps them coming out. So let's do the googly eyes first. Glue it on like that. And touch it on to the head. Yeah. Right, let's glue this other one. Yeah, okay. Now let's attach it here. White eyes. Gonna look like a derpy ladybug. Alright, take the foam pieces here. Alright. Oh, they're just sticky underneath. Okay, that's helpful. So you can peel off here. It's probably sticky. Yeah, it's sticky underneath. That's really nice. That's super easy. Alright. Stuck on the first dot. Let's take out the other one. Oh, it took it off of the paper already. Alright, let's touch it on. And there we go. We have our long-necked, derpy face ladybug. Alright, we shortened the head now. It's way better. Alright. Alright, spider. Take the blue pom-pom. Yeah, got it. I got it right here. And thread 2 of the pink and purple stems through the middle of it. Great. Already threading. 2 or 1? I don't know. Yeah, 2. I'll try this time. Oh, it's super easy. Wow. Super easy. Just push it through the tube. Uh-oh. It's clogged. It's a little clogged. Yay. Unclogged. Yay. Guess pull it. Oh, G. Uh-oh. Right, push it back in a little. Push it back out. This is... Oh, no. Ooh, that was close. It's hard to push in now. It's pushing the tube out there. Yeah. Hooray. We got 2. We got 4 legs. That's the next step. Take another one. Yeah. Take another one and wrap it around 2 of the stems. Wait. Alright, wrap it around 2 of the stems. What, you just like spin it round like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! And then wrap this one around too. Ta-da! Woo! Yay! Call them Smarty Pants. Right. Bend the ends of each leg down so your spider can stand up and stick 2 of the googly eyes on your spider's head to complete it. Right, let's stick on the eyes. Oh, I lost the eye. It's under the table. I got a little bit of glue on my hand. Alright, we'll put it here. That should stick on well. Okay. Do, and touch that too. Woohoo! Another droopy-eyed spider. It's like a rock star spider. Alright, spider made. Time to make a bumblebee. Alright, B. Take the yellow pom-pom and thread the white thing through the middle. We've done this a lot, so... Oh, it's coming out the other end. Okay. Take the white wing shapes. That's what it's for. Wait, okay. Okay. Those are to stick the things on. Okay. Alright, I'll stick this on. Peel the backing off and stick one to either side to cover up. Okay, that's good. Yay, and also it's thick now. Alright, let's take the other 2. Okay. That's good. Which way do you peel it? Is it this way? Yes, we got it. Yay. Put the rubbish there. And we'll the fur. It's so fiddly. Got it off. And seriously, it's so sticky. And yay! We got our 2 wings here. Peel the backing of the 2 black. Aha, alright. And wrap them around the bee's body. Alright. Got it. It's just a line. Woo! Oh, it's curling up. Like a I don't know. A butterfly's tongue. Yeah, it curls up. It's kind of scary. Uh-oh, it's offline and test. Does that look weird? Alright, that'll do. Peel off this. Ta-da! Another butterfly tongue. And stick this on top. Hooray! And do that and stick this over that. Hooray! Yay! Let's decide which should be the headpiece. This. It's bigger. But then that could be like a stinger, I don't know. Let's glue it. Ooh, don't want to get too much. And here, stick it on. Ta-da! One-eyed. Let's make the other. Uh-oh. Stripes coming off. Alright, to get the other eye. Place it on the glue. Yeah, we got just about enough onto there. And hooray! We made our bugs. Spider, bumblebee, and ladybird. And that's how we made it. Pretty simple, apart from the threading part. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you learned how to make this, if you haven't. Hope this was entertaining, and bye.